In this video, we will explore alternative energies of the past, present, and the future. Amazing energy technologies exist in all three timelines. You might be surprised we've had the technology to be energy independent for over 100 years already. As we speed into the future, incredible inventions are fueling the new energy revolution. First up, this one exists in all three eras. Now, modern technology has made it more practical. A half kilogram or about a pound of hydrogen gas costs about $8. However, a Solhyd hydrogen panel will produce up to 250 liters of hydrogen per day for free. The panel uses a regular solar panel to convert sunlight into hydrogen by capturing moisture from the air and splitting the water molecule through electrolysis. How cool is that? The gas can then be used for heating or fueling a hydrogen-powered vehicle. Hydrogen is the most abundant element on Earth. All this is done with low-cost, abundant materials without precious or heavy metals. With current hydrogen cars being produced, this could be a game-changer. About 20 panels could heat a well-insulated home. The panels are still in the prototype stage, but the possibility of small-scale manufacturing is already in development with the next generation of hydrogen panels. They may appear on the market around 2030 or sooner. Windmills have long been in use. However, this next-generation vertical axis wind turbine could change everything. Enter the Ventum Dynamics wind turbine, an innovative wind generator breaking the mold. Vertical axis turbines have been inefficient compared to conventional horizontal axis turbines until now. According to Ventum, this technology is a game-changer. The turbines are omnidirectional, allowing them to capture wind from all directions without needing to rotate. At about 6 feet and installed in a vertical position, they're low maintenance and can be easily lifted onto a roof using a standard crane. Silent operation with no vibrations makes it undetectable from inside the building. Now that's exciting. Also, the generator can be connected to a home or as backup power. The technology is still being tested, and one of the turbines is located on the Skegness Pier in the UK, providing evening lighting for a historical landmark. A second turbine is installed on the roof of a factory in Spalding for lighting a section of the factory. Speaking of wind turbines, how about one that fits in your pocket? Well, at least in your backpack. Check this out. Have you ever imagined that a full-fledged wind-generating power station could easily fit in your backpack? Dubbed Shine Turbine, it is a powerful wind generator that allows you to create electricity even with light wind gusts. Weighing in at 3 pounds, you can set it up to generate power in just a couple minutes. Despite its compact size, this turbine can produce up to 40 watts of power. It utilizes a 1.2 amp-hour rechargeable battery and is mainly used to charge gadgets of 5 volts and 2.4 amps. To accomplish this, the turbine has 2 separate USB ports. Like all wind generators, the housing automatically rotates on its vertical axis to face the wind direction. The wind generator is water resistant, so you can use it anywhere, such as during mountain hikes, or in the forest, and also by the beach or lake, and even in rainy conditions. Wait, I thought getting out in nature was to get away from gadgets. Okay, so how do we overcome the limitations of solar energy on Earth? What if we could place solar panels in space and transmit energy to Earth? Think about it. No clouds or weather to block the sun. Dubbed PRAM, it sounds like science fiction, but work is already underway. The U.S. Naval Research Laboratory Space Solar Project is testing the ability to generate and convert energy on space satellites. PRAM, meaning photovoltaic RF antenna module, has been tested in low Earth orbit. During the experiment, successful testing of transmitting equipment was conducted, which converted solar energy through solar panels mounted on the satellite. Electricity in the form of microwave beams was successfully directed to Earth. The success of the experiment is another step in the near future toward clean energy sources becoming available. Be sure and hit those like and subscribe buttons to ensure a microwave beam from space doesn't hit you. How about an earthly energy source that needs no sun or wind and can operate 24/7? Check out the Weptos Wave Energy Converter. With impressive performance, it's highly efficient while optimizing use of construction components. Weptos produces energy at a much lower cost than conventional. The design is a buoyant rotor using wave energy to rotate a generator, with a peak efficiency near 100%, producing a smooth and constant delivery of energy. Weptos uses the same generator technology as wind turbines, easily installed at almost any depth. The mooring is flexible and allows full rotation. It produces maximum output despite the direction of the waves, depending on the weather. With the variation of energy from waves, Weptos handles this by changing the angle and width of its wave energy converter, optimizing it for a greater range of wave conditions. It's proven superior in extreme weather conditions, and its ability to weather storms lowers costs. Access to Weptos is safe in the calm area behind the energy converter, as energy is removed from the waves. Inspection and maintenance is feasible in varied weather. Weptos is scalable and adaptable to most conditions. It's been proven through extensive research and development. Okay, how about thorium? What the heck is thorium? It's the 90th element on the periodic table. Bet you weren't expecting a chemistry lesson from school. The second heaviest element on Earth, thorium is a basic element of nature like iron and uranium. Like uranium, it can be used to fuel a nuclear chain reaction that can run a power plant and make electricity. Now we get to the cool parts. Thorium is around 3 times more abundant than uranium on Earth. Since the beginning of the nuclear era, a lot of scientific focus has been given to thorium's potential as a nuclear fuel. And get this, a thorium reactor burns nearly all of its fuel. So it will produce less waste, which is a major advantage over conventional nuclear power. Also, unlike conventional reactors, thorium-fueled reactors can be operated at atmospheric pressure. It appears thorium as a nuclear fuel is ideal clean energy, at least until fusion comes online. So why aren't these everywhere? Here is a technology that could have had us off oil decades ago. Biofuels have been around since the late 19th century. The first cars ran on ethanol or peanut oil. Biomass, or plants, are converted directly into liquid fuels to meet transportation fuel needs. Biofuels emit less carbon dioxide than petroleum fuels. There's a lot of misinformation about biofuels out there, leading many to believe they are inefficient and not cost-effective. Nothing could be further from the truth. The two most common types of biofuels in use today are ethanol and biodiesel, both of which could have eliminated oil decades ago. Brazil has been using ethanol since the 1980s, meeting over 50% of their fuel needs. The use of biofuels worldwide has grown strongly in the recent years due to the high oil prices and concerns about climate change. They've been known for a century. It's time we utilize them for the benefit of our environment, while we pursue clean space-age technologies. Alright, back to the future. Solar windows is a new technology that will turn any window or glass into photovoltaic solar cell. Yes, our windows will turn into solar panels. Think about all the windows out there. Solar windows passively produce power. What a game changer! Solar windows are exactly what you think they are. Transparent windows that absorb and convert sunlight into usable electricity. These windows have the ability of harvesting the part of the solar spectrum the eyes can't see, and making it into electricity while allowing regular visible light to pass through. Large buildings and skyscrapers with glass facades use a coating on windows to reduce glare and heat, so they're perfect for sheets of transparent solar cells, which will help produce electricity to power the building also. Solar windows offer promising opportunities as an energy source. While the current state of this technology still needs improvement, this is a step in the right direction. Renewable energy is truly emerging from the shadows, and in the near future, this hopeful technology may play a large role in the clean energy challenge. Oh, and of course, in order to ensure a bright future with clean energy, you must watch another one of our videos.